Hi, a pleasant day to each and everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Kian Dominic de Arcenas, and I live in Calacas City, Batangas. I am 20 years old. I am a third-year college student at Batangas State University with a Bachelor of Industrial Technology major in Welding and Fabrication. Let me tell you my skills. I'm proficient in SMAU, GMAU, and GTAW. I have a knowledge in metal cutting, measuring, and layout. I am skilled in fabricating and assembling and repairing metal structures. I'm good at teamwork, communication, and time management. And I have a basic understanding to safety procedures and PPE. I am hardworking, responsible, and always eager to learn new techniques. I believe your company will help me grow and I will apply my knowledge in a real work environment. Thank you for your time, ma'am. I would really appreciate the chance to be part of your company.